Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here to bring you your Saturday deals. These are good for Saturday the 14th with your 5 off 25. Up first, our deal of the day for Thursday, December 12th are these Red True Living cups. They are on sale for $2. There is coupons in your app. Now, with the coupons, some people are able to get them to attach at an old system, and I've heard that they were having issues at both old and new system for other people with the coupons attaching. But $2 is still a good deal on those. Let me know in the comments if you were able to use the coupons. Friday, December 13th, we have your $3 gift wrap will be $1. And then for Saturday, we have the pre-lit 4-foot Christmas trees. Regular price is $20. They will be on sale for $8. Now let's move into our couponing, and we have our cheat sheet up on the website for you. It is available to print for free. This is a great tool to have with you when you are couponing and planning your own deals, because if you can't find an item when you're in store, you can look at this and find something to make sure you stay at your total for 5 off 25, but keep your out of pocket as low as possible. So make sure you check that out, and that will be linked below in the description box. Up first in our 5 off 25 deals, we have the Trim-a-Tree. You're going to get your tree skirt, your ornaments, your topper, and the 8-foot tree, which is, not the 8-foot, I'm sorry, that is a 4-foot tree, which is on sale for $8 on Saturday, and you'll pay just $20.50. This deal here is a Burr basket, or you can split it up into several gifts for teachers, etc. You're going to get 2 of the dollar mugs. These are the mugs that come in the box. You're going to get 2 $5 candles, 2 hot cocoa bombs, or the chocolate balls. You're going to get your gift bags, your Werthers, your tissue paper, your gift tags, and 2 of the fleece throws. All of these items, or most of them, are on sale. You're also going to get a Swiss Miss hot chocolate that you didn't see pictured there, and that would be $20.50. Our next gift idea is a gift basket. You can get the basket, the tissue paper, the shower poof, and 2 of the Dove holiday body washes plus a Eucerin lotion for just $13.50. You can put together a nice little gift basket there. I hope you like those. So let's move on to our household deals. And this first deal for $10.85 is a repeat deal. You're going to get your Tide, your Bounce, and your Energizer batteries. Again, that's $10.85. These are deals that we put out last week, but they are still good this week if you did not use the coupons. For $13.75, we have a Gain deal. This is a 5 off 25 with your 5 off 30. You're going to get your flings, your softener, your liquid, and your sheets for $13.75. Now we have a personal care. This is a carryover for $7.65 to Irish Spring, the Schick razors, the Colgate toothbrushes, and toothpaste for $7.65. Again, this is such a low out of pocket. This would make a great gift basket idea as well. For $7.95, we have an oral care deal. You've got your children's toothpaste, the adult toothpaste, all the toothbrushes that you see there, and pay $7.95. Everything here is before tax. Also, make sure you scan everything to make sure it's attaching to your coupons. For $17.75, this is a new deal. We have 2 Huggies and the Aveeno Baby. And as you can see, it's a 5 off 25. We have the different coupons here that we broke it down for you. This is also a baby deal. This is a new deal. $16.75, I'm sorry. And that is 2 Pampers and an Aveeno Baby. Let's move into our grocery deals. For $15.50, you get your 18-pack of Pepsi, 2 Propel, 2 Lay's, and 2 Doritos. On the Propel, make sure you are scanning them to make sure they are attaching. I only saw 2 flavors attaching in the app. For $12.95, you can get all the candy items you see here, the Oreos and the Chips Ahoy and the mini Oreos for $12.95. Those would be great stocking stuffers. Then we have for $19, 4 of the Pillsbury Grands, plus 4 different packages of the Nestle Toll House, and that would be $19. Not bad for a baking deal. We have a coffee deal, and that is $10.45. You're going to get 3 of your Dunkin' coffee, 2 of your Folgers coffee, and pay $10.45. Up next for $14.55. On this one, you are only going to get one of the DiGiorno. We got mixed up when we made our screenshot, but you're going to get your DiGiorno, your Pepsi, your two Lay's, 2 Doritos, and pay $14.55. So that's one of the pizzas, not 2. It did show 2. Now we're moving into personal care for $9.20. You're going to get your Clean and Clear Morning Burst, Degree, your Sally Hansen polish, the Venus Smooth Razor, and a Crest 3D White for $9.20. This personal care deal is your Secret Whole Body Spray, Secret Deodorant, and 2 of the Tresemme hairspray. Sorry. And that's going to be $11.25. For $9.95, you can get 2 of the L'Oreal Excellence Cream hair colors, plus a Small Spaces, and pay just $9.95. For $11.05, you can get your Axe gift set, your Irish Spring, 2 of them, and a Colgate 360 toothbrush for $11.05. For $10, you can get 2 of the Dove Holiday Body Wash, the Tresemme Moisture Curls, and the Eucerin Lotion, and that's just $10. And that Tresemme is the Curl Defining Cream. For $11.25, you can get your Clean and Clear Base Scrub, your CoverGirl Powder, and eyeliners, the Sally Hansen, and a Nivea Lotion, and that would be $11.25. Then we have for $12 your Vaseline, your Nivea Lotions, your Degree, your Secret Deodorant, and a Sally Hansen nail polish, and that would be $12. Do you guys take these deals and break them up and put them into gift baskets? Let me know. Then we have for $13.25 Secret Whole Body Secret Deodorant plus the Secret Clinical Deodorant, and that's $13.25. Now we're going to move into our new household deals for this week. We have 2 Downy beads, 2 Downy Calm, and that is the fabric softener, the sheets, and also your Tide Hygienic, and that is going to be $23.35. For $11.80, you're going to get the 3 different Downy Calm items. That's the sheets, the softener, the beads, a Russell Stover candy, and the Tide Power Pods for $11.80. This next deal is just $15.35. You're going to get your large Tide Hygienic, your Unstoppables Downy beads, plus a Russell Stover candy as a filler, and pay just $15.35. I'm getting so tongue-tied today. Up next for $12.90, you're going to get the 2 different True Living Ultra dish detergents, your Palmolive, your True Living foam plates, Quilted Northern, Small Spaces, and a Russell Stover candy as a filler for $12.90. Then for $14.85, we have your Purex, your Snuggle, your Cottonelle, your Angel Soft, and a Russell Stover candy for a filler, and that's $14.85 for that one. This next deal is Arm & Hammer and Scott. We have $14 is what you will pay. You're going to get your Arm & Hammer liquid, your Snuggle, and 3 of the Scott toilet paper. We do have instant savings, so make sure if you're using that Scott in your own deal, you account for that $3 instant savings. You have to add that back in. For $16, you can get 3 of the Scott toilet paper, the Cottonelle toilet paper, and Quilted Northern for $16. Again, that has the instant savings, so make sure you account for that if you do a deal on your own. And there you have it. Those are all our deals for this Saturday. Let me know what you thought of those holiday gift deals in the beginning. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching. Find us on Facebook, Telegram, and RolloutSavings.com. Bye, guys.